Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lexi and today's video is a hair tutorial. Okay, I know it's been a minute since I've done just a simple hair tutorial, but that's today. Okay, so we're doing a twist and curl, a chunky twist and curl, which gave me a lot of volume, and as you can see I still have me some good old shine and a little bit of a Lexi twist style going on. So if you want to see how I got this style, I used all EVA NYC products to get this look. It was actually extremely simple because you guys know I'm a lazy natural. I do things real simple. So if you want to see how I got it, keep on watching and yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Okay guys, so I started off with the Main Magic shampoo, which is free from sulfates, paraben, phthalates, animal cruelty, artificial colors, all that good stuff, and you get 1 liter size for $20.99. This product definitely did cleanse my hair and it actually was quite softening. So I used this to obviously shampoo and get rid of any dirt and extra buildup, etc., 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 for me to begin a style. You always want to cleanse and shampoo your hair before applying any heat and styling. I just feel like the products you use after moisturize and penetrate the hair a lot better when you start on super clean, super cleansed hair before doing anything else. That's just how I like to do my hair. So after all those good shots of me washing my hair, I went in with the Main Magic conditioner, which is a nice thick texture. It's not thickety thickums, but it's definitely thick and it definitely did get the job done. I like this for my hair. I actually used this quite a few times before recording this video. You guys know I'm gonna test stuff out before I bring it to you guys. It has a good amount of slip and it definitely does moisturize the hair. And it's also free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, all of that stuff that you might not want in your hair. And hello slip, I'm using my Denman to detangle, and as you can see it's gliding right through. I'm actually really hyped to get into styling because I haven't brought you guys a twist and curl or a style in quite some time. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out and blow dry my hair. Now this is the Pro Lite lavender dryer. It comes with a diffuser, but I did not use that diffuser today. It has 2 to 3 heat settings as well as speed settings in terms of power, etc. It's supposed to be healthier than a normal dryer, and it gives you a professional feel to when you're styling your hair. So look at me giving you guys blowout tease. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the EVA NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 mousse. I really like this mousse because it's nice and thick. So a lot of times I will use a wetter type of mousse with more water, I feel like, and it actually makes your hair revert quite quickly. This mousse, being so thick and more fluffy, did not revert my hair. As you can see, my hair is still quite blow dried, still quite straight. A lot of times I would still have some shrinkage because that mousse can be so wet. Anyways, I twisted about half of the hair and then I applied a little bit more of that mousse to help smooth the ends down. And then I'm gonna get a perm rod. It's like a medium-sized orange perm rod. I love this size because it gives you like that nice fluffy beach wave look. You can obviously use smaller perm rods if you want to get a more tighter curl, a more defined look. I just love orange perm rods for my hair shape and for the volume that it gives. And as you can see, I'm doing pretty chunky sections because I just like that big fluffy look. Just a personal preference, and it takes me a lot less time to get the style done. So pretty big sections, adding some more mousse. I'm gonna twist down half the section and roll up the other half with my perm rod, and that's pretty much it. I let this dry, like air dry, for about 3 hours, and then I sat under a dryer for about 1 more hour just to be sure that the hair was completely dry. Even though blow dried hair dries obviously a lot faster than super wet soaking hair, I wanted to make sure that I had as little frizz as possible and that my hair was completely dry. As you can see, I'm not rolling the hair on top of each other. I'm rolling the hair alongside each other to make it dry faster as well. Hello, shine. So now it's time for the takedown, my favorite part of putting in rollers. And as you can see, we have our curls intact. The curls are looking good. I'm so excited. I love using perm rods. Living in Miami, I don't really like to do them often because the humidity here is insane. But when I do them, I'm like, man, I miss having me like a big fluffy curly fro. I think it's just so cute. And blow drying beforehand just makes the whole process even better. So I do have oil on my hand, just a light oil to help tame frizz, and I'm pulling apart those twists, as you can see, being very gentle, not trying to disturb those curls at all. Once I finish untwisting all of the twists, I'm just gonna fluff my hair at the roots. I'm not going to run my fingers through the curls at all. I'm not going to fluff the curls or keep untwisting the curls because the curls are so chunky and I use big sections. You don't want to toss it or tassel it or whatever too much, because that can obviously lead to frizz and ruin the style before you even get to show out with it. So yeah, light fluffing of the roots and unraveling just one time when you take out those twists for this size perm rods on blow dried hair, because blow dried hair isn't going to be as defined obviously as if you were to do it on wet hair. So just keep those things in mind if you do recreate or test this style out. I think a lot of times we think that we have to do super tiny and super neat perm rods to get a look, but this is not the case. I have a look right here and I did them in less than 30 minutes and it's just super cute. So at this point, I'm just styling the hair. I'm pinning back the little front sections to give it some shape and to give it some dimension and to use some cute hair tools of mine, actually, if you're wondering. And yeah, just pinning them back, giving you guys some side angle, some contour, okay? It really does frame the face a lot better when you pull some of the hair back. In my personal opinion, you could do however you want, wear it as a big fro if you like, but I just love me a cute little pullback style. I'm just gonna fluff it out, give you some looks, okay? Thank you, EVA NYC, for partnering with me to create today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. You can find what I used linked in the box below. Subscribe, join the KandidKinks spam. Give me a thumbs up if you love this hairstyle, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.